can you give me a go ahead to when should I start? Or hello, Devraj? Okay. When you started the streaming, just tell me. I'll
Um,
Uh,
I'm
Hello?
updating the score sheets with the members of the team. Please wait a bit.
Yeah, can you just wait 5 minutes? My partner isn't here. I'm trying to connect with him.
Yeah, okay, fine. Good.
Hello there. हाँ ओके अपने कॉल पे कोई
Okay, so has all the team members have arrived? One team head.
Yeah, my teammate is yet to arrive. I'm trying to connect with him.
Okay.
अपने कॉलेज से कोई शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुआ
All right, we'll start sharp at 8:25.
Yeah.
But before that, let's go to the rules. So this is the deal. There are a total of 4 rounds. Return round 1, which will have 4 questions.
हाँ
Then 10 questions on clockwise bounce. Then there is another return round of 4 questions, and
हाँ
there
Zoom
is
ज्वाइन कर ली मैंने
the last anti-clockwise round of 10 questions.
अपने कॉलेज से कोई शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुआ
For the written rounds, you have to write down all the answers together only after the round is done, and then send it in your WhatsApp groups, respective WhatsApp groups. We'll wait for 2 more minutes.
For the written rounds, we have to answer in the group, right?
Yes.
Answer in a single message on a group.
We'll answer all questions together, right?
Yes.
हाँ हाँ यही ओके हाँ Zoom मीटिंग जी हाँ स्कोर शीट एक सेकंड एडिट एक्सेस भी होगी हाँ है
I'll reiterate it once again that we have disqualified few teams because of their suspicious activities. So please ensure both of your hands are visible throughout the quiz and your video is turned on. All right, it's 8:25. We'll start off. So yeah, so these are 4 questions on wordplays on foreign works or phrases, obviously in the Indian context. Plus 10 for each correct answer. Answer only after all the questions are done. As I already said, you have to send all the answers together in a single message only after the round is done. I think we are good to go. All the very best. Question 1. So this documentary by G. N. Abbasi and A. Kapoor tells the story of the marriage predicament. In this
ये
documentary,
देव हेलो
born in a society obsessed with marriage,
आंसर तो सारे
and in
क्विज
NRI
मास्टर ही
couple,
चेक
a
करेंगे ना
young
मतलब
girl
स्कोर
and
अनाउंस
a
कर
not
देंगे
so
बस
young man are
ओके
compelled by tradition to look for matches in classifieds and matchmaking websites. So, what is the forward title of this documentary? A play on a comedy by The Bird that revolves around 2 romantic pairings. I want the forward title of the documentary. As an additional hint, I'll say the play is on the last word of the name of the comedy. The first 3 words are same as that of the name of the play. The play, as in the word play, is on the last word. Look at the fact that it talks about marriage and the fact that they they are born in a society obsessed with marriage. All right, moving on to question 2. So from all the items you see on the cover of the book, work out its 2-word name, which are in the red boxes. Play on a phrase used as a salutation to a person about to eat. Think of a salutation first, and as I have said, everything is foreign in this round, so not an Indian salutation. Think which group of people would you associate with all the items you see here. As an additional hint, I will say the play is on the first word. Everything else remains same. The play is on the first word of the original phrase. Moving on to question 3. An article in The Telegraph talked about how JioMart is ruining the lives of Indian salesmen. The official distributor of Rekit Benkesar in Vita Sangli told he used to be treated as a royal, and now all his customers say, "See how much you have torn us," as the same products are available at 15% lesser price in JioMart partners. What was the title of the article, which can be arrived at by changing a conjunction with a preposition in an early 1880s work, A Tale of Switching Identities? So in the original work, there is a conjunction and you have to replace it with a preposition. Look at the fact that initially he was treated as a royal, then his condition deteriorated.
Could you repeat how to reach the pun?
Right. So I said in the original work there is a conjunction. You have to change it with a preposition, and keep in mind that initially this guy was treated as a royal, but then his condition deteriorated.
second. So any apart from this change, any other change is there? Or
No,
there's
no.
other change?
Only the
Like, apart
conjunction
from this
changes to
conjunction.
preposition. Nothing else changes. Moving on to the last question. So just like San Francisco and Golden Gate Bridge, Kolkata and the Howrah Bridge, Mysuru has its own symbol as the Krishna Rajasagara Dam, constructed across the Kaveri River between 1911 and 1932. The chief engineer who looked after the project was none other than Sir M. Visvesvaraya. The 52.in article that talked about this had a two-word title which can be arrived at by changing the second word of an early 90s directorial debut with its anagram. So what was the two-word title? Look at the fact that it talks about the Krishna Rajasagara Dam. As an additional hint, I'll say the director is an American director. Very well-known movie. I think it was adapted into Bollywood as well.
Will you do a rerun?
Yeah,
It has
I'll do a
already
quick
been
rerun.
adapted into Bollywood film.
Sorry?
It has already been adapted.
Will you do a
into Bollywood?
quick rerun of just all the questions?
Yeah, it has already been adapted into a Bollywood movie. Yeah, we'll do a quick rerun. So this is question 4. Then question 3. Conjunction changes to preposition. Question 2. Which group of people would be associated with all the items?
Could you
see
repeat
here?
what was the hint for two just once, please?
Which one? This.
Could you repeat what was the hint, whatever you gave, like whatever you
Yeah,
told?
I said try to connect all these items to a group of people.
Can you just go to the third question just for a second?
This was question 1. I said the pun is on the last word of the phrase of the play. All right. Go on.
Could you go to the third?
Guys, start submitting.
Like if we get the if we don't get the wordplay and we get the title, will you have
question 3 once?
Not really. Question 3. Okay, go back to question 3 once.
Could you go to the last question, please, and just wait there?
All right, time's up. I have received answers from team 3, 7, 4, 1, 5, 8, 2. Okay, every team has sent answers, I think. We can go on to the answer slide now.
the wordplay and we get the title, will you have
question 3 once?
Okay, every team has
Should we shout out?
sent answers, I think. Yeah, you can shout
Yeah,
out.
you can shout out.
Go on to the answer
Much
slide
ado about
now.
wedding?
the wordplay and we get the title, will you
Not
have
question 3 once?
Merchant of the
Much
Wedding.
ado about
Okay,
about
every
nothing.
team has
Should we shout out?
sent
this
answers,
is
I think.
much ado
Yeah, you can
about
shout
Yeah,
out.
you can shout out.
Go on to the answer
Much
slide
ado about
now.
wedding?
the wordplay and we get the title, will you
Not
have
really.
question 3 once?
Merchant of the
Much
Wedding.
ado
Bong
about
appetit.
Okay, everyone.
Bong appetit.
No, so you can see a Hanukkah
Ah.
there. So
I was thinking of Jew appetit, but that is not so. I don't know.
go on to the next slide. This is Bene Appetit from
Nice.
Bene Israelis.
This is Princess to Pauper.
Prince to
Prince to Pauper is right.
Like any other variation not accepted, right? And no half points
No.
for title.
Not really.
Reservoir Gods.
Is right. This is Reservoir Gods. I will tell you the scores. 1 second.
Can you show question 4 once, just for a second?
All right. So team 1 is at 10. Team 2 is at 20. Team 3, 10. Team 4, 10. Team 5 yet to open. Team 6, 30. Team 7 yet to open. Team 8 is on 20. Devraj, are you good with the scores?
Is Devraj here?
Yeah,
I'm
I think
updated these scores.
okay, cool. We can go ahead now. So this is a deal. You have to, if you are pouncing, please write down your pounces, announce it first, and then write down your pounces on the WhatsApp group.
Will you give a countdown like 5 seconds ka ki when you're closing?
Yeah, I'll surely do that. All right. So first
Okay,
question to,
do we have to
What
announce
is-
pounds on mic or we have to write it in the chat?
yeah, you can write it in the chat itself. I'll announce which team is bouncing.
Okay.
You can-
What
you
do you
can-
mean by chimping? Chimping is allowed.
So say I ask a two-part question, which the answers to the parts are Adam and Eve. So one team says Adam, then another team says Eve, and the third team says Adam and Eve. So they will get 10, and the other two will get 5 each. All right. Moving on to question 1 to direct to team 1. The only place where India officially has these items is the Physical Research Laboratory. These were brought to India by Dr. Devendra Lal, head of Geophysics Research Group, TIFR, way back in 1971. As Dr. Lal accompanied the first tour of these items in India 2 years back, from 1971, when they came encased in nitrogen-filled clear hemisphere. So what are these items? This is the first part. In a 2019 study, researchers from IIT Bombay found that the mineral contents of samples from this specific location were similar to the items in the first part. Home to few of the rarest microbes in the world, which alliterative location from Maharashtra, named after a demon, is this, said to be created around 50,000 years ago. So I want 2 answers, no part points if you are pouncing.
Like for the first part, do you need any specific answer?
I want 2 keywords.
For the first part, what
I want 2 keywords for the first part, and for the second part, I want the location, which is
okay,
pretty
4 is
specific.
bouncing.
Okay. Pounds closing in 5,
Team 7 is bouncing. Team
4,
6 is also bouncing. Team 6 also.
3, 2,
Team 8 also bouncing.
and 1. I'm not accepting any more pounds. So 8, 6, 7, and 4 have bounced. Please send in your answers. Okay, so plus 10 to team 7. Plus 10 to team 8. Plus 10 to team 4. And plus 10 to team 6. Team 1, all yours.
So for the second part, I'll say Lonar Lake, and
Okay.
for the first part, I'll say maybe like samples of the atomic bomb explosion.
All right, moving on to team 2.
I'll say Lunar Lake for the second part, and since it's made of a Carter and asteroid and stuff, I'll say moon rocks for the first part.
We'll give you full 10 points. So team 2 gets plus 10 on the bounce, and team 1 gets plus 5. So I'll repeat the scores. Team 1, 5. Team 2, 10. Team 4, 6, 7, and 8 plus 10 each. Go to the answer slide. Right. This is a direct to team. Three. So named after a regal creation, this art collection has more than 4,000 artworks, including by M.F. Hussain, V.S. Gaitonde, Anjali Ila Menon, and Jotin Dash. These are on display across several offices of this organization, as well as on its menu cards, posters, and calendars. The collection recently came back into news, as even after a much hyped homecoming, the collection will lie with the Indian government. Which organization is this? And while at it, which limited edition creation was supposedly inspired from the bracelet you will see in the next slide? Go to the next slide. Sorry for the bad quality, but just look at the fact that the design of the bracelet is kind of serpentile. It's like a serpent. I'll give an additional hint if no one blocks for the second part.
No, I'm bouncing, blocking, and saying.
Okay. If you get the first part, then think logically.
Could you show the image once again?
Go to the image once. I said concentrate on the fact that it's kind of like a serpent. Closing pounds in 5.
Just a query, the second part and first part is related or totally different?
Obviously related. 5,
Team 8 bouncing.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Pounces are closed. I've received pounces from team 1, team 3, and team 8. Okay, plus 10 to team 8. Plus 10 to team 1. And plus 10 to team 3. It is a dare to team 3. As they have pounds, I will go to team 4. Team 4, all yours.
Yeah, okay. So the first part is Air India. like Air India came back to Tata, all that. And the second part will guess Dali collection, Salvador Dali collection.
Would you like to mention something specific for the second part?
This is the Salvador Dali's, like the collection was like he made ashtrays and all, like
I'll
looked
give
like
it to
this, and
you.
this
So
serpentine can be like his.
go to the answer
Salvador.
slide. Plus 10 to team 4 as well. Great answer. This is Air India and the ashtrays by Dali. So 1, 3, 8 and 4 gets plus 10 on this. Direct to team 5. Next slide. Direct to team 5. So when Tamil Nadu government set up its first administrative reform commission in 1973, one of its job was to find surplus government jobs, and they found 2 such posts, LBAs and LBKs. On digging deeper, they got to know that these posts were created in 1936 for the new Viceroy and Governor General, who worked as the chairman of a Royal Commission on Agriculture in India back in 1926. The Royal Commission submitted a report that India's agricultural problem has not changed for decades, and the poor quality of livestock must be improved to resolve these issues. Thus, just before the joining of the new VNGG, these posts were created. Expand any of LBA or LBK. If no one blocks, I'll explain a bit.
Pouncing.
Okay. One team has already pounced, so I won't be explaining anything.
Team 1 pouncing. Like any of one of them would do, right?
Yes, any
Okay,
of
okay.
one of them would. Pounds closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I have received 2 pounces. Team 1 gets plus 10. Team 2 also gets plus 10. Direct to team 5. Team 5.
Breeding as no, sorry.
So we'll say Linlithgow Breeding Association for LBA.
Sorry?
Assistance for LBA. Linlithgow Breeding Assistance.
I'll move on to team 6.
I would say Linlithgow's Bullkeeper.
That will give you full 10 points. So this is indeed Linlithgow's Bullkeeper or Linlithgow's Bull Assistant. I'll be lenient and give plus 5 to team 5 for coming up with almost they gave the answer. So plus 5 to team 5 and plus 10 to team 6. Direct to team 7. According to a 2011 article, more than 1 million candidates compete fiercely for BPO positions in India, as the salary paid qualifies as middle class salary. The employers don't check the educational qualifications of the candidates, and the selection process is mainly based on English pronunciation. Recruiters don't select the candidates suffering from MTI. So expand MTI. Once they clear the elimination round, as most of their customers are American, they had to go through a process called culture training, where candidates memorize colloquialisms and state capitals. They also had to experience a creation that deals with nothing specific and focuses on daily life. What creation from the 90s is this? Here, by experience, I mean it can be listening to a song, or watching a movie, anything. I just didn't want to give it away. For the first part, look at the fact that if you have empty eye, you won't get selected. Based on that, at least expand MT. I'll give points. If you can
Oh,
explain
MT is
what
enough, right?
Any hints for the second part?
MT is enough, yes. For the second part, look at the fact that
Teammate
it's
pouncing.
something from the 90s and
What is pouncing?
it deals with nothing specific.
Are you giving points for MT only, like expanding MT?
Yeah, expanding MT will do. Pounds closing in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Team 1 who's direct actually?
It's a direct to team 7.
Okay, I'll not pounce them.
Pounds is closed. I have received 1, 2, 3, 4 pounces. Plus 10 to team 5. Minus 5 to team 2. Minus 5 to team 8. Plus 10 to team 4. Direct to team 7. Team 7 all yours.
For the first part, we are guessing muscular tract infection, and the second part, we are guessing Simpsons.
All right. Team 8 has bounced. Team 1.
First one I will say mother tongue influence.
Okay.
And second I'll say Simpsons.
Moving on to team 3.
So mother tongue MT and the creation is Friends.
Moving to team 5. 5 has bounced. Team 6, I guess. Team 6.
For the second part, we are guessing Home Alone, and the first
Okay.
part is Mother Tongue.
Okay. So I think everybody is done. Go on to the answer slide.
Is this Seinfeld?
Yes, this is Seinfeld.
Oh,
so
shit.
mother tongue influence and Seinfeld because it's a show about nothing. So plus 5 to team 1 for coming up with mother tongue. Moving on to team 2. Before the fiber-made ones started reigning the market, the ones made in this little known town called Deulpur were used to be exported to UK, USA and other countries. In earlier times, British officers used the wooden ones, which used to damage equipment very frequently. That's when Bipin Bog of Deulpur came up with this bamboo root made variants, which became popular among the sahibs in no time. Inspired by his success, a huge chunk of the residents chose to pursue the same career. Now an almost dying business in Deulpur, what was their expertise? And while at it, you will see 2 images in the next 2 slides. So you have to tell me artistic depiction of whose death do you see here? And which royal, holder of an unique record, died in Delhi in 1952 while pursuing the above mentioned hobby? Go on to the next slide. So this is what they make in Deulpur. Next. Next slide. Next slide. This is the artistic depiction of someone's death. I want 3 parts here. You have to tell me what do they make in Deulpur, whose death is this, and who died in 1952. 3 parts. Direct to team 2.
Is the artistic depiction and the royal holder connected by some way?
They are connected by the first part.
So, did you show some picture of second part?
I just have shown the artistic depiction of someone's death.
Please show it once again.
This is the artistic depiction of someone's death.
Okay. No.
Go on to the question.
Is there a hint for the third?
I think if you get the first part, then the other 2 parts are very well known.
Is the third part? Can you give some hint to the third
Yeah,
part?
third part.
No hints, please.
Okay, one team is blocking.
Will the surname do, or do I have to specify the first name?
I want a specific answer for all 3 parts.
I'll bounce team 1.
All right.
Who's
Closing
left is
pounds
it?
in- it's a direct to team 2. Pounds closing in 5, 4,
4 is pound.
3,
Pouncing team 6.
2,
Teammate pounds.
and 1. So 1, 6, and 8, and 4.
4 also said.
Yeah, I mentioned 4. 1, 4, 6, and 8 have bounced. Please send in your answers. Plus 10 to team 4. Plus 10 to team 1. Plus 10 to team 8. And plus 10 to team 6. Direct to team 2.
Yeah. So these are polo balls,
Okay.
and so the person artistic depiction is of Kutubuddin Aibak, and
Okay.
he died while playing polo. And Iftikhar Ali Khan Pataudi died, had a heart attack while playing polo, so he also died playing polo. Both of them died playing polo.
That will give you full 10 points. So plus 10 to team 2 as well. Go on to the answer slide. So polo balls was their expertise. Direct to team 3 now. So the guy with specs, KT Rinpoche, husband of Mandakini, has no recollection of the incident. In his words, back then he was only 3 and used to stay at Manali. The original girl died, and the creators used him as a replacement because of his chubbiness and resemblance with the girl. Which products ad did he pose for? Once an accessory in many Indian households. While at it, the eponymous character of which early 2010s project was named after this product?
Pounds team 6.
Malik.
Closing pounds in.
Team who's direct?
It's a day to team 3.
Okay. Team 1 will bounce.
Closing pounds in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pounce is closed. I have received 2 pounces from team 5 and team 6. Did team 1 say that they are pouncing? Team 1?
Yeah, I just sent in. I was typing.
Okay. I got pounces from team 1, 6, and 5. Plus 10 to team 1. Plus 10 to team 6. And plus 10 to team 5. Direct to team 3. Team 3, all yours. Team 3.
Will pass.
Team 4.
Yeah, okay. The first part is Murphy Radios, and the second part is the movie Burfi. So Murphy Radios and Burfi.
Will give you full 10 points. This is indeed the Murphy Radio. The kid in Murphy Radio is Mandakiny's husband, and this is how Burfi got his name. Direct to team 5. The first of its kind in India was done by in 1950 at a certain location in Gujarat by Winter Blith, an amateur naturalist, and R.S. Dharma Kumar Singhji. They had to count on 3 major assumptions: need of drinking water at least once in a day, roads and paths were preferred for travel, and blank measurements are seldom identical. So what high risk task did they perform over 2 consecutive days? Though scientists had brought out several deficiencies of the method, the scandal in 2004-5 made its shortcomings popular. Detectives from Delhi were sent to investigate the worst scandal of its kind since independence. Where did it take place? An area covering 841 square kilometer in the district of Alwar.
Pouncing.
2 parts. Look at the fact that for the first part, look at the fact that they had to count on 3 major assumptions, and it was a high risk task. For the first part, coming close, I'll give points if you come close.
Excuse me, Saswat, Bhaiya, can you just confirm that team 2 didn't score any question in the fifth question?
Fifth
Fifth question
question
was my direct. I answered all of it on the.
Yes.
Yeah, I got 10 points for that.
Okay. Thanks for verifying.
Like, can you give some hint for the second part?
I have already pounced.
One team has already pounced. Look at the fact that it covers an area of 841 square kilometer, and look at its location. It's a direct to team 5. Pounds closing in 5.
Is it an Indian scandal, that 2004-5, or it was outside India?
Indian scandal. 4, 3, 2,
Pounce. 4 is pouncing.
and 1. Pounds closed. I've received pounces from 2, 7, and 4. Plus 10 to team 2. Plus 10 to team 7. Team 4, please send in your answer. Plus 10 to team 4 as well. Direct to team 5. Team 5.
So hello. So for the second part, we will say it's the run of Kutch.
Okay.
And for the first part, so we will say census for birds.
Moving on to
in
team 6.
Kutch.
Team 6.
Yeah, we would say that Gujarat na, they were performing some census of lions in Gir maybe.
Okay. And the second part?
Second part kya ho sakta? What scandal happened? Passing
Run of
sorry.
Kutch for the second part. Run of Kutch for the second part.
अच्छा
Okay.
रुक जा अलवर में क्या है कुछ वो बोल दे
I got an answer. So
okay yeah
passing on to Team 7. Passing on to Team 7.
pass yeah
7 pounced, I think.
Oh, sorry.
We bounced.
Team 8.
Census of tigers and Sariska tiger reserve.
Will give you full 10 points. This is census of tigers or lions, counting by pug marks. And this is the Sariska Tiger Reserve. So +5 to Team 6 for coming up with census. And +10 to Team 8 for getting both parts correct. Direct to Team 1 again.
What was the scandal? What was the
Are you-
scandal?
The tigers of Sariska National Park became 0 at one point in
Yeah,
time. So that was a
basically,
scandal.
and by counting the pug marks, they got that there are around 20 to 25. So they reported that there are 20 to 25 tigers are still alive, but in reality, there are no tigers alive.
Are you giving points for census only?
No.
Oh.
Direct to Team 1. So this Academy Award nominated singer got inspiration when a child aged around 10 came up to her and told her she sang very wrong. When his mother apologized and told her about his condition, she thought of doing something for such kids and joined a music therapy center. Kids suffering from this condition often listen to music with great concentration and tend to follow a routine in everything. In this center, suitable music is placed around such kids and children take as much as they want. Listen to the song and identify the singer and what condition do these kids suffer from. Go on to the next slide. I think it will take some time to come. Yeah. Play. Is it audible?
No, we can't hear it.
I think you have to share. No. I think you have to share audio or something.
I think the answer was visible for a while.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did any other team saw the answer?
Yeah,
I think the answer was visible for a while.
All right then. I'll scrap the first part then only the second part remains. What condition did they suffer from?
Just the condition will do, right?
Yeah, the condition will do.
Team 1 bouncing.
Go on to the question slide.
Who's direct?
It's a day
Go
to
back
Team
to the
1.
question.
It's a day to Team 1.
Then I'll not bounce off it.
It's a direct to Team 1. Pounds closing in 5.
Are you looking for very specific condition or it's a broader general term?
I won't specify that.
In pounds, you don't need the first part, right? Only the second.
No, I don't want the first part because many teams said the first part was visible. Pounds closing in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I have received only 1 pounds. Is anyone else bouncing? Team 7 has bounced. I don't think anyone else is bouncing.
Shall I say?
I will go to Team 1 and take the answer. Yes, Team 1, go ahead.
Autism.
Will give you full 10 points. So +10 to Team 1 and Team 7. Go to the next slide. Go to the answer slide. This was by Bombay Jayashree. And it's a data to team 2. The man you see here was a former CM of Karnataka, best known for a landmark judgment. Being the CM of the Janata Dal, his government was dismissed soon under Article 356 by the central government. He initially went to the High Court and then the Supreme Court, which gave the judgment in 1994 to weaken the power of Article 356. Known colloquially by his surname, what is this landmark judgment called? They are only the second father-son duo to become the CM of Karnataka. Who was the father in the first such instance, who went on to hold a more prestigious position? Two parts
Like
again.
2 parts.
Team 3 pounds.
Acha, for the
Direct to team 2.
Could you be faster on the pounces? It's taking a lot of time. I have another quiz at 10.
Pounds closing in 5.
Just a confirmation. This
Yeah,
guy is
I'm-
the father or the son in this in his. like,
This
in
guy is the
father's-
father. This guy is the father. Pounds closing in 5.
Team 6.
4, 3, 2, and 1. So I have received pounces from team 3 and team 5 has
Team
pounds as well.
team one also bouncing.
No, you are late. I can't take your pounds. Sorry.
I had sent you the answer, but it is stuck on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
So so you are saying these are the 2 parts, team 6. I want the second part as well. Class 10 to
Okay.
team 5.
Okay, I got it.
Class 10 to team 5. Class 10 to team 3. Team 6. Please send in the full answer.
Hello.
Yeah, I got
sending
it.
The
Got
second
it.
part. Yeah.
Class 10 to team 6 as well. So 10 to team 3, 10 to team 5, and 10 to team 6. Data to team 2.
This person is SR Bombay, Bombay judgment, which talks about the precedent rule and when you can apply it to a state or not,
Okay.
and whatever. Litmus test. And the first part should be the HD Devgowda and SD Devgowda. HD Devgowda became the prime minister later on of the country.
We'll give you full 10 points. So plus 10 to team 2 as well. So this is the Bombay case. It's called the Bombay case. It's a Bombay versus the Union of India. And so it's a data to team 3 now. Last question of my part. The guy you see here has contributed to the advancement of Indian sports in many ways. Apart from being the founding father of a governing body of a certain sports, he launched the National Sports Club of India, chaired the organizing committee of 1951 Asian Games, and was an organizer of the 1952 World Table Tennis Championships in Bombay. During his time at the Cambridge University, he took inspiration from the Oxford and Cambridge sports teams and thus came up with something for his home country. One of the supposed reasons behind which sartorial choice is being talked about. Simple one part. Direct to team 3. Pounds closing in 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Pounds closed. I have received an answer from team 2, and I'll give them +10 to team 2. Direct to team 3.
Okay, I would guess that this is why India wears blue in cricket.
We'll give you full 10 points. Great answer. Go on to the next slide. All right. Thank you for playing.
So, Devraj, can you just tell the total ones?
I think Ashutosh is keeping the scores.
Okay, who are keeping?
सारे टीम्स का बता दूं?
हाँ, एक बार बता दो, मतलब आधी 2 पार्ट हो गया तो, और बाकी 2 पार्ट के बाद में।
टीम 1 थर्ड पोजीशन पे 70 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 2 सेकंड पोजीशन पे 75 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 3 सिक्स्थ पोजीशन पे 40 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 4 फोर्थ पोजीशन पे 60 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 5 सेवेंथ पोजीशन पे 35 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 6 फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे 85 पॉइंट्स पे, टीम 7 8th पोजीशन पे 30 पॉइंट पे, और टीम 8 फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे 55 पॉइंट्स पे।
ठीक है, तो ठीक है। So is this right? Like, has any team verified?
Yeah, I think we are good to go.
Okay. Yeah, so this written round is sorry. So this is written round based on depicting scientific concepts using Indian folk art. So you'll see 4 such works, and you have to give me the art form and the scientific concept. So each part is 5 marks. So total it's 5 plus 5 into 4. So I'll move on to the first question. So this is a mathematical concept developed in India and art from eastern part of India. So I'm moving to the next question. So this is the this is first of the famous laws of developed by an Austrian priest, and the art form is again from a place in eastern India. Okay, and
You need the person, right?
yeah, I need the person. Like I need the laws, and the law itself has the person's name. So
Just the person's name is fine.
No, we want a law as well.
I mean, if you know the person, you definitely know the law. I think pretty obvious. You can see from the figure itself, it's what it is depicting. I'll move on to the yes. Any rounds?
For the last question, do you need a particular style of painting? The first one.
Yes. I need a particular style of painting. This is question 3. So this is basic biological concept depicted using art from most prevalent in Maharashtra. So you need to tell me the art form and the biological concept. Okay, so the last question. This art form is mainly practiced by women in Hazaribagh district in Jharkhand. So you need to tell me the art form and what's depicted in the painting here.
For this thing, you need a broad answer, right? Like
Yeah, broad answer.
more or less.
Yeah. So do I need to go back and I'll just go back? So this is the mathematical concept of India.
The mathematical concept, just one word would do, right?
Yeah, it will suffice. Second one, you need to give me the law developed by an Austrian priest and an art form from Eastern India. And this is a painting from Maharashtra and the biological concept depicted in it. And this is the art form from practiced by women in Hazaribagh and what phenomenon is depicted here. Okay, so I'll just please submit your answers. Just a second, my phone has hanged.
Okay, I'm checking and giving.
Okay, yeah. Can you just Okay, so I'll just show the answers now. I think every team is done. Yeah, so I'll just show the answer. So, do you want to guess?
This is wormhole and Kalighat paintings. Yeah.
This is Zero and Kalighat painting.
Oh, you needed Kali.
Can you go back to the painting once? First question.
Not Jamini Roy be acceptable for this because this is clearly
Okay.
Jamini style.
Yeah. I have accepted Jamini Roy.
Okay.
This is Mendel's law of inheritance and Madhubani painting.
Worldly.
Worldly and human evolution.
Is this Shorai?
Yes, it's Shorai and extinction of dinosaurs. So,
I'll tell the scores. Team
okay.
1 is on 40, as in they got 40 in this round. Team 2 got 35.
Excuse me. Team 3 should be on 25, I guess.
Let me check once. 5. Not really.
No, you have
Hello?
actually mixed up Madhubani and Kalighat. Team 5.
Team 3 is 20.
Team 3.
Sorry,
Yeah, team
acha,
3. Team 3 is 20. You got 20.
25. Should be 25.
Team 7 is 20. He has
Hello?
also been mentioned in the
Kalighat ka 5. Vadachitra ka 5.
Team
Worldly ka
7 is
10.
also 25, right?
Patachitra is not the correct answer.
Patachitra is not the right answer, right?
Then
All right,
you-
we'll start from
Team 7 will be 20 only, because if you got the points on 0, Mendel's law of inheritance, evolution and Worley, extinction of dinosaurs, and that's it.
All right, we'll state the.
That's 5,
scores
right?
again.
That's 25. You said 5, thanks.
1, 2,
0, Mendel's law 1, 10. 5, 10, 20, 20.
Yeah.
Sorry, 25.
Yeah, it's 25. My bad.
Okay, so team 1 is on 40. They got 40 in this round. Team 2 got 35. Team 3 got 20. Team 4 got 20. Team 5 got 35. Team 6 got 35. Team 7 got 25. And team 8 got 35. I'll repeat once again. Team 1 40. Team 2 35. Team 3 20. Team 4 20. Team 5 35. Team 6 35. Team 7 25. And team 8 35.
Can you be a bit quicker on this round, because I have seriously have to leave at 10.
Okay, cool. Let's start anti-clockwise.
Okay, so team 8. So this is an excerpt from an interview of a person. So just read the next excerpt. This person is one of the most famous engineers of India, who earlier this year ventured into politics and joined BJP. And the person being talked about in the excerpt is also one of the stalwarts of our country and is known for his reforms in electoral systems, which he brought about. So you just need to give me both the names who were once classmates in their earlier years.
Yeah, team 6 is bouncing.
Okay.
Team 2 is
4 is bouncing.
Team 1 is bouncing.
Team 3 bouncing.
Okay, so bounce. I'll close bounce in 5 seconds. So the bounce is closed. So team 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 have bounced. So all the teams which had bounced got +10. So which is team 1 +10, team 2 +10, team 3 +10, team 4 +10, and team 6 +10. Yeah, so team 8, over to you.
So the engineer who joined BJP will be E. Sridharan, and the other person would be T.N. Seshan, the former Chief Election Commissioner.
Yeah, correct. So now direct to team 7, and team 8 also gets +10. So this extremely popular Indian artist who created his name in a music genre which was generally dominated by Muslim artists shot to fame in the late 70s and is considered one of the greatest musicians to ever live. During the latter part of his career, he faced criticism for being too repetitive. So, in a sort of response to his critics, he released an album called Different Strokes in the year 2001. So, just tell me who is the artist and what was unique about this album. I'll close the pause in 15 seconds.
Like in second part, what exactly do you need?
So this artist has released a number of albums. So this album has something unique in it, which is not found in any of his other albums. So I'll close bounce in 10 seconds. Okay, so the bounce is.
Okay, wait a minute. Just we'll pause it. Just wait 2 seconds.
Okay, I'll wait 5 more seconds. Okay, so now the bounce is closed. So the direct to team number 7.
Team 3 has pounced. We sent it before you closed it.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just repeat it. For question number 1, team 1 got team 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. All got +10. And
whose direct is it?
It's team 7's direct, and team 3 had pounced in this question, which they get -5 for this. And I'll see what to do with the team 2. First, let me take other answers.
I mean, I have pounced. This is a pounce.
Yeah. I'll accept your pounce. I'll just see. If you want to improve a little bit on your second part, that would be great. I'll give a chance to improve. I need something more specific.
Do you need more or?
Okay, I'll see if anyone answers on the bounce. If no one is close, then I'll give you +10.
Is the pound still open?
No, bounce is not open. So yeah, team 7. Go ahead.
For the second part, we are guessing that basically every song on the album was composed of different instruments. And for the first part, we are guessing Ilaiyaraaja.
Okay. Team 6.
Yeah, the first part we are guessing Jagjit Singh, and the second part is I will go with that second part. That all the songs
Second part, I'd say Rida based on the rags of Tanse, like the rags he used to sing. Rida based on it, the songs and this. That's why they're different.
Okay. Team 5.
So the first part is Jagjit Singh, of course. The second part we'll say that all the songs are different rag compositions, probably. So
okay,
yeah.
Team 4.
Okay. First part is Jagjit Singh, and second part will okay. Second part will guess. Yeah, these are based on like different. All are different instruments, composed in
Okay.
different instruments.
Team 3 got negative. Team 2 has already pounced. Team 1.
So Jagjit Singh, and I'll say like this was like non-ghazal. So there were no. So the ghazals were actually, to the tune of different classical ragas or something. Every song was different, like that.
Do you want to improve something? I need.
To like,
Okay,
every song was a different Hindustani classical music stroke to his ghazals. That's it.
Okay. I'll just take another answer from team 8 and I'll just see. Team 8.
The first part is Jagjit Singh, and for second part we'll say he used Indian classical ragas in classical ragas in ghazals.
Okay,
For
so
the first time,
can I make?
Can I,
maybe
Malyaj,
it was not
Malyaj,
done before
can I
this,
give a guess?
that
No,
Make a
now.
non-com
The-
guess.
Are,
Non-com
Okay,
guess.
are
okay.
the songs
Non-com.
originally
Okay.
sung by someone else and he changed
No, no,
the
no.
strokes?
Do you
and
want
that?
Carnatic music in the answer?
No, no. Actually, it was. You all are very close. I would just give plus 10 to team 2 as well because he was also very close, and plus 10 to team 1 as well. It's his only classical music album. He didn't sing ghazals in that album.
What do you mean by classical music exactly?
I mean,
like
ghazals, like classical music. I think it's in Indian difference between ghazals. What ghazals are there and classical music? I mean the singers which are.
I think you mean Hindustani music, right?
Like
Hindustani and
actually,
Carnatic are two different forms. So
yeah.
Hindustani
So
classical.
yeah, like I can give you some examples of classical singers like maybe Jasraj or something. So he sang classical songs in that. No ghazals were involved. So that was my thing. So I'll give.
ghazal is also.
Ghazal is not actually just classical music, Indian classical. It's a bit different.
Ghazal is anyway semi-classical, not
Yeah,
classical.
yeah. So
Go on.
yeah, so
Malyaj,
yes.
Malyaj, will we get +5 for Jagjit?
Yeah, you will get +5 for Jagjit Singh. Team 6 will get +5 for Jagjit Singh. I'll give -5 to team 3. As nobody came close, I'll just give +10 to team 2 because he pounced. He was very close, and I'll give +10 to team 8 as well because
Team 1.
No, sorry. Yeah, my bad. Team 1. +10. So question 3. So Dash was born on 4th August 1929. He went to Christian College in Indore after his matriculation. His college continues to remember his exploits. Who was a prankster at heart. His college canteen owner recalled that during his college days he owed a certain amount to him, which he never paid back. After a few years after passing out of college, he repaid the amount, albeit in a very different way, which was a tribute of sorts. So fill in the blank. And how did he pay back the loan? So it was not a traditional thing. He didn't go and pay back the amount. He did it in a different way.
Team 3 pounds.
Blanks are indicated.
Team 6 is also.
Blanks, blanks are indicated. Can you just announce on?
Okay, pounds team.
Yeah, can you just announce on the meet and then just write on the WhatsApp?
Team 6 pouncing.
So who all have pounced?
Already pounced.
Team 8 pounced.
Who all have pounced? Can you just repeat? Team 2 has pounced. I see. Team 2 has pounced. Team 3 has pounced.
Team 6.
Team 6.
Team 1 pouncing.
Okay, so I'll close the pounce in 5 seconds. Okay, pounce is closed. So team 1, 2, 3, 6, and team 5 have pounced, right?
Team 7 is pouncing too.
You have.
Wait, 4 has also sent the
4, yeah, 4 is also same. 4 is also same. One second.
Ideally, you shouldn't receive Team 7's bounce.
Seven
but okay.
bouncing.
Team 7 has not bounced.
Yeah, we are bouncing, just in the process.
No,
of
but the bounce is closed.
Bounce was close. You
okay, no problem.
Okay, so every team has bounced except Team 7. So whose direct is what it was? Actually, it was 8's direct. So okay. Team 4 gets a negative. Yeah, so Team 4 gets a negative, rest everyone gets plus 10 except 7. So 7 take away.
So we're guessing the person is Kishore Kumar and he sang the song 5 Rupaya 12 Ana in some movie.
Yeah, so except Team 4, which he wrote Manna Day instead of Kishore Kumar. And it's 5 rupees 12 आना in चलती कसम गाड़ी. So everybody gets a plus 10 except Team 4. Okay. So the campaigning in the first general election. Yeah, Team 8 also got plus 10. So did you write, Devraj? Okay. Okay, so the campaigning in the first general elections were done door to door or by physical rallies. All India Radio had banned all party propaganda, so airwaves were out of bounds. However, the Communist Party of India somehow managed to access the airwaves at shortwave, which they used to communicate their point of view and run down its opponents. So how did they have access to the radio?
Team 3 sponsor.
4 is
3 is bouncing. 4 is bouncing. I'll close the bounce in 5 seconds.
Whose direct is this?
It's 6 direct. I've closed the bounce now. So Team 3 and Team 4 have bounced, and they both. Okay, they both get plus 10. So yeah, Team 6, go ahead. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes,
Team
yes.
6. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, wait.
Can you be faster, please?
Yeah. Okay.
We'll
So
pass.
okay, so Team 6 passes. Team 5. Hello, Team 5. Are you passing?
So hello.
Yeah.
So they used to broadcast from. I mean, they were not in here, so they used to broadcast from ওইটাই বলছে Mexico.
Okay. Team 2.
So China helped them. So China gave them the radio waves to broadcast.
Okay. Team 1.
So I'll say
yes, please
so
go
they
on.
used Vietnam radio.
Okay, Team 8.
They were supported by the Russian communists.
Okay, I'll just give it to you. They were actually they relate from Moscow radio. So you all didn't guess the obvious one. Vietnam and China were not the obvious ones in 1950s. Yes. So team 3 and 4 gets plus 10, and team who told this answer, team 8 or team 7?
Teammate.
Team 8, okay. Team 8 gets plus 10. So now the direct comes to team 7. So during the Indo-European trade in 16th century, a coarse cotton cloth made in India was primarily exported to Europe. Similar to cashmere, this material too got its name from the region of origin. This region during the medieval times was flourishing with wealth, as it had some of the busiest ports in India at that time. Many accounts from travelers like Marco Polo and Ibn Battuta describe the region as having a cosmopolitan population. So we know its name primarily due to a prominent water body present in the region, and after independence, the name of this region also got Indianized. So you have to give me the anglicized name as well as the Indianized name of this region.
Pounds.
Team 2, right? 2 pounds.
4 is pound.
Okay, 4 is pouncing. If you are announcing on
Team
voice,
two, team two.
Just tell me your
Team
yeah.
3 pounds. Team 3 pounds.
Okay, I'll close the pounds in 10 seconds now.
Team 6.
Team 6.
Team 6 pounds.
Okay, so the pounds is now closed. So team 2, 3, 4 and 6 have pounced. Four gets a -5. Three gets a +10. Two again gets a +10. And team 6 gets a -5. So yeah, team 7. Go ahead.
We're guessing this is Calicut and Kozhikode.
Okay, team 6 got negative. Team 5. Hello, team 5.
Yes,
Are you
yes,
guessing?
this.
Yeah, please be quick.
We'll say this is probably Madras and Chennai.
Okay, team 4 got negative. Team 3 gets +10. Team 2 gets +10. Team 1.
I'll say Banaras and Varanasi. Varanasi and Banaras.
Okay, no. Team 8. Team 8.
Calcutta and Kolkata.
No. So this is actually Cambay and Khambat. So team 2 gets, I'll just reiterate the scores. Team 2 gets +10 on the pounds. Team 3 gets +10 on the pounds. Team 4 and team 6 gets -5. And the direct, nobody answered on direct, so the next direct goes to team number 6. So John Alexander Brodie was an English civil engineer who is famously known to have invented football goal nets. In 1912, he along with X was chosen by Lord Hardinge for a project which had been recently announced in India. They stayed in India for a month, surveying different locations throughout the area before arriving to a conclusion. So who was X and what was the 1912 project am I talking about?
How specific do you want the project to be?
I mean, I need some proper nouns in that.
Okay, I'll pound.
Who's direct?
Okay, it's team 6's direct, and I'll close the pounds in next 15 seconds. So who has pounced already? Team 2 has pounced, right?
Team 2
3
has
pounds. Team 3 pounds.
Team 1 will also bounce.
Team 8 will also bounce.
1, 2, 3, and
8.
Okay.
Team 6 direct, right? So I'll not bounce.
Who has retracted his pounds? I have.
Team 1.
Team 7 is bouncing the pounds of.
Okay, team 7.
Yeah,
I'll just
team
take. I'll close the
Malaj,
bounce with.
Malaj.
I'll close the bounce with team 7. Yeah.
Is it out
Is
already?
Pound open?
No,
Or is
no,
it
it's
done?
not. No, pounce is now closed. Team 6.
Whose
Who's
direct is
selected
this?
Team 6 is direct. So I have just registered team 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8 have bounced. Right.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll just take it. I need something more from team 3 in the second part. I need two proper nouns. Yeah, team 1. I need two proper nouns in this. So you are very close, but in the second part, I need something more.
I have given two proper nouns in second part.
In the same way, team 1, right? No, I need something more. Okay, fine. No issue. Team 2. You need to give me who was X as well.
I gave you X, no?
Okay. I didn't see. Sorry. Okay. So team 1 gets plus 10. Team 2. Yeah, team 2 gets plus 10. Okay, team 3 gets also gets plus 10. Team 4 didn't pounds. Team 5 didn't pounds. Team 6 didn't pounds. Yeah, 7 gets plus 10. Yeah, team 8 also gets plus 10. Yeah, so team 6, go ahead.
I think X is Edwin Lutens and project is designing of Delhi.
Okay, team 6 also gets plus 10. So it's Edwin Lucent and shifting the capital from Kolkata to New Delhi. So they wanted to see which area was suitable. So I'll just reiterate the scores. Team 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 have got plus 10 in this question. Okay. Sher Singh Rana, who was the prime accused in Phulan Devi murder case, escaped the Tihar jail back in 2005. He allegedly ran away to Ghazni, Afghanistan on a fake passport and stayed there for 3 months to complete his mission. He came back to India and even got his achievements recorded on video. His mother, after knowing his deeds, hailed him as the pride of India and wanted some sort of remuneration for her son after what he had done. So, what did he do apparently to restore the pride of India? Okay. Which team?
2.
Team 2. Okay, fine.
Pounds. Team 3.
Team 1 pounced.
Okay, I'll close pounds in 10 seconds.
Team 7 pouncing.
Okay, I'll close the pounds with team 7 now. Okay, so team 1, 2, 3, and 7 have pounced. The last question was answered on direct by which team?
6.
Team 6. Okay, so this is team
Team
5.
6, Team 6 pounds. Team 6
No,
pounds.
pounds is closed now. Pounds is closed.
Yeah.
So team 5 is direct. I'll just check the bounces. Team 7 gets a plus 10. Okay, team 1 gets a plus 10.
It is VX for team number 5, right?
Yeah, Team 3 gets a +10. Team 2 also gets a +10. So yeah, team 1, 2, 3, and 7 gets the +10 on pounds. Yeah, and direct goes to team 5.
So he brought back the remains of Prithviraj Chauhan from Afghanistan.
Yeah, so that's the correct answer. He got the ashes of Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, so team 5 also gets a +10. So now the other direct goes to team 4. So over 160 million years ago, Gondwana began breaking up into different continents. However, X and India remained attached for a much longer part as part of Dharwar Craton, the oldest rocks found in the Indian subcontinent. About 88 million years ago, an underwater volcanic eruption, the Marian hotspot, which went on for 2 million years, split X and India, and the ever-flowing lava widened the gap to what it is today. This geographical feature marks the point where X broke off from the Indian plate. So you need to give me X and the geographical feature.
Like any hints for the geographical feature?
If you know what kind of hint should I give? Like if you know that the geography of the area from where I'm talking about, like if you know what is X, so from there you may arrive at X, I guess, at the geographical feature as well. I'm not very sure whether it's how to give a hint on this.
Team 3
Pouncing.
Okay.
Team 7 pouncing.
Team 3 has pounced. Team 7
Team 2
has
is not
pounced.
bouncing. Team 2 is not.
Okay, team 7 is bouncing. I'll close the bounce in the next 10 seconds.
Is the second part very specific or generic?
It's a specific. It's specific. I need proper nouns in both the parts.
Okay, first part we have. Second part.
I'll close the bounce now. Okay, so can you repeat which teams have pounced? Team 2 has pounced, 3 has pounced, 7 has pounced, and
8.
Please mute yourself. Some team is unmuted there. Okay. Okay, team 2 gets a -5. Team 7 also gets a -5. Team 3 gets a +10. अरे तपन म्यूट करो भाई.
Okay, so we'll go with that.
1 second. Team 8 also gets a -5. Yeah, so whose direct it was? Team 4's direct, right? So yeah, team 4, go ahead.
Yeah, should we answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, the X is Australia and the feature is Deccan Plateau.
Okay. Team 1.
So X is Madagascar, and geographical feature as say like flowing lava. So there would be basalt eruption, and that is how Deccan Plateau would be formed.
Okay. Team 8 got negative. Team 7 got negative. Team 6. Tapan. Hello, team 6.
Madagascar, and we'll go with Lakshadweep.
Okay, team 5.
Okay, so we will go with Madagascar and probably Indian Ocean.
Okay, so nobody got this answer. Team 1 gets +5 for getting Madagascar, and the correct answer is the Palakkad Gap or Palghat Gap. Okay, so I'll move on to the next question. Okay, so I'll just repeat the scores. Team 1 gets +5, team 2 gets -5, team 3 gets +10, team 4 gets 0, team 5 gets 0, team 6 gets 0, team 7 and 8 gets -5 each.
Malyaj, how
Yes.
many questions are left?
2 questions.
Okay, so can you just give a brief of scores once?
Okay. Who is scoring? Uh, Okay, so it's a fight between, I think, team 1 and team 2 and team 6. And I think, yeah. So I'll. Whose direct it is now? Wait, just a
Eight.
second. No, question. Yeah, 8. Yeah, 8's direct. Yeah. So in 1964, a Japanese company, in collaboration with The Hindu, conducted an essay writing competition for Asian students. So their main aim was to showcase the technological prowess which they had rebuilt after the ruins of World War II. The Indian student who won the competition was none other than X, who would later on serve as one of the prominent politicians of India. So X recalls that I was just 16 then in high school, living in Chennai, and the topic was the importance of holding Olympics in Asia. So you need to give me who I'm talking about and what was the prize of winning the competition. I'll show the image. So the rightmost person is the person who won the prize. So he's one of the senior most politicians in India at the moment. So you need to give me 2 parts. What was the prize of winning the competition? See the timeline and what was the topic. And you can, from the image, you can guess who was the person who won the
The
essay
person
writing
on the
competition.
right, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, like from my, yeah, it's yeah, right.
The one
who is,
smiling.
yeah, the one who's smiling. So I'll close the pounds now in the next 15 seconds. You see the image? I think it will be trackable if you see the image closely. I'll give 5 more seconds.
Go back to the question, please.
Okay. Okay, so now I'll close the pounds in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So teammate, any guesses?
Can you give any hint for this?
For which part?
But you can't give any hint on bounce, right? The bounce is already
The
over.
bounce is closed.
Bounce is closed.
Can't
Bounce is closed.
give now.
The
Okay.
bounce is closed.
Yeah, bounce is closed now. Bounce is closed. So for the second part, I would say, like, if you see the timeline and
Like
the content.
if you're giving hint, can you open the bounce? We can also bounce them.
The bounce is closed now. I'm
Okay,
giving
okay, we
hints on
will pass.
bounce.
No need to fuss about it, team 1. We are passing. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Team 7.
So we'll skip for the first part, but for the second, we are guessing that this person was given the tickets to 64 Japan Olympics, because since the essay seems to be about Olympics.
Okay. Any guesses for first part?
So maybe Murli Manohar Joshi. I'll pass on. It's not
Okay.
right.
Team 6. You can look at the image.
Yeah, Venkaya Naidu would be the politician, and yeah, some 64, maybe soil from Tokyo means National Stadium, something like that. I don't know. Pass.
Yeah, so okay. Team 5.
So, yeah, we will go with Venkaiah Naidu and Tickets to Olympics.
Okay, so this was team 5, no? Team 4.
We'll go with P. Chidambaram and Ticket to Tokyo Olympics.
Okay, team 3. Hello, team 3.
Yes. Guess this is. Tharoor and Tickets to Olympics.
Okay. Team 2.
And I was going to say Tharoor. I'll say this is I don't know, man. Paneer Selvam and Ticket to Olympics.
Okay. Team 1.
So obviously, the trip to Olympics, Ticket to Olympics, I'll say Prakash Kharat, the CPIM.
Okay, so team 1 gets the +10 and team 7 gets +5 for getting the trip to Olympics. So this is Prakash Karat and they got the ticket to Tokyo Olympics. So the team 1 moves on to 175. Team 7 moves on to 85. The rest are on the same. So the final question. The movie Pyasa, which is regarded as one of the greatest Indian films of all time, was the last movie in which both S.D. Burman and Sahir Ludhianvi worked together. So the cause of the rift between both of them was the credit received for the songs. In those days, generally the music director got the majority of credits for the songs. This angered Sahir as he believed that he was equally responsible for the popularization of the songs of the movie. Due to these differences, Sahir Ludhianvi made a strange demand to the director Guru Dutt and followed this as a rule to work in any of his further projects. S.D. Burman never agreed on his demand and therefore they never worked together since. So what was the peculiar demand made by Sahir Ludhianvi which angered S.D. Burman? This is team 2, right?
Yes, team
3 pounds.
Okay, team 3. Team 2. Okay. I'll close the pounds now in the next 10 seconds.
Team
5,
6 pounds.
4, 3, 2, and 1. So I'll close the pounds with team 6. So team 2, 3, and 6 have pounds, right? And whose direct it was? Team 8's direct. Okay. So, okay, team 3.
In the song credits, the name of
wait.
Okay.
Team 2, 3, and 6. Okay. Team 6, can you type the answer fast?
Can you be faster, please?
Yeah, just he's sending the answer. Okay, so team. Okay, yeah, let's hear the answer from team 8. Then I'll discuss this. Team 8.
So in the song credits, he demanded that his name should come first, like before S.D. Burman.
Okay, team 7.
So we're guessing that he demanded that when the song is told about, it is told that like it was made by the lyricist rather than the composer.
Okay. Team 5.
So we'll say that Sai Ludhianvi demanded 1 rupee more fee than SD Burman.
Okay, so team 5 gets +10, and the teams who bounced also get +10. So team 2, 3, and 6 and 5 all get +10. So I think we have a tie here for the first position.
We'll check the prelims score and let you know who came first.
What is the answer?
There is no
Yeah,
prize.
yeah.
Let's just have tied first position.
Okay, so this is the correct answer. Sahil demanded 1 more rupee than the music director in any film whichever. So the team 2, 3, and 2, 3, 5, and 6 get plus 10. So that's it from my side.
Thank you guys for joining. Please come back tomorrow and for the rest of the fest. All the registrations are open. Team 1,
Team 1 will, I think, had
they won the
already
quiz
topped
because
the prelims.
they topped the
So
prelims. Team 2 comes second. Great show, being a lone wolf.
team
And
6 gets
team 6 comes third. Well done, guys.
Can we
Nice
have
one.
the whole score thingy?
okay. Devraj. Devraj, hello. Yeah, just retell the score once. Okay then, fine.
All right, great set, guys.
Thanks.
Will you put the quiz set somewhere, like SlideShare or Discord server?
We haven't decided yet, but we'll let
We
you
haven't.
know.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Great set, guys.